kung ito'y pwedeng pakinabangan ng ating mga taong naghirap, then why not? Di ba? Very malayo naman yung distinction between medical marijuana and recreational marijuana. Pag recreational marijuana, andyan naman yung PDEA dyan. Bahala na PDEA dyan mag-enforce ng batas. Di ba? Pero medical, ibang usapan ito medical. But anyway, we will deal that matter sa committee ni Senator Bongo. Alam kong it is gaining traction. As of now, it's gaining traction. To this done, the director of PDEA ay open to this. And also, si Secretary ko is also open, pending discussion with the rest of the members of the board, kasi dahil board naman itong DDB. So, yun lang ang ating maraming salamat for your inputs. Okay ka na? Okay ka na, Senator Robinson Padilla?
Maraming salamat po, mahal na nagpapamuto sa ating po mahal na Senator Bongo. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you very much. Wala na kayo sabihin, sir? Okay na tayo? So, may I hear a motion coming from Senator Bongo for the approval of the budget of DDB and PDEA?
Mr. Chair, I move to approve the budgets of PDEA and DDB at the committee level and submit it for plenary approval.
Any objections? Hearing none, the budget of DDB and PDEA is hereby approved and submitted to the plenary for deliberation and approval of the Senate. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, sir. Congratulations. Again,